Good morning, all the students. How are you? You are best and fine. I hope you are best and fine. Now we are going to discuss about our habitat lesson question answers. And very low, there is 3 words are only given in the keywords. Already we are discussed about the keywords. Now we are going with our question and answers. Once we go with our question and answers now, one check it out here. Here there is our habitat, the lesson habitat here. Yes, 6th lesson. We already completed that is. In that one, we are going to the question answers now. Improve your learning. Yes, in this part only we have to go with the question answers now. Yes, the first question. All the students, you have completed yesterday's your homework or not? You completed or not it is? Yesterday's homework? I hope you are completed. Not completed. How many members are completed and how many members are not completed this? Yes, only one. You have sent it to your principal sir or madam or not? Through WhatsApp group. Yeah, you have to complete compulsory. Yes, most of our friends are today may absent actually. May have to join. It's to take some time. Yeah, all the students. Now we are going with our improve our learning concept. In that one, there is we are going with the question answers. What is the question answers we are taking here? What is the habitat? What is the habitat? Tell me what is the habitat? Yesterday also we are discussed. Anyone please write in your chat box what is the habitat? Yeah, habitat means what actually? Habitat means which is provide maximum needs to the animals and plants like water, air, food and shelter. Once again I repeat it. Habitat means which surroundings or which area or otherwise which thing is produces. Okay now? Yes, maximum needs for its living. Okay now? Like food, air, shelter and water. Okay, this is only called habitat. There is four types of main habitats are there. One is on the surface of water, and in the surface of water, and on the earth and in the earth. Okay, like that we are conclude this main 4 habitats. Okay, very good. Somewhat are given. Yes. And the next one is second answer. We go with the second answer. Next one. Name some plants and animals that live in a terrestrial habitat. Yeah, you know very well. Habitats are classified into 2 types. One is aquatic. Habitat. Another one is what actually? Another one is a terrestrial habitat. Another one is taken as a terrestrial. Okay, now terrestrial habitat. Okay, you know very well about these two things. One is the aquatic habitat, another one is the terrestrial habitat. Yes, here you have to name what is the terrestrial habitats. There is a given somewhat names are required animals that have on terrestrial habitats. So many things. Yesterday also I am given tabular format to mention that all the things. Okay, now especially mango tree and as well as the grapes tree. Okay, now yes, apple tree. These are plants. Okay, now suppose you go for animals. Yes, there is so many animals are there like a lion, tiger, elephant, deer. Okay, now wolf, fox. Okay, cat, rat, dog, and you. These all are terrestrial animals only. Okay, this is only about our terrestrial animals. That is the second answer. Now go for third answer. Now go for third answer. Here, why can't fish live on land? Why fish live on land? Okay, now yes, there is a word on land. There is a word not suitable. Environment is not there for the fish, for the collecting the food, for collecting the air, and as well as it is always wanted to swim through the water and collect the whatever the food contained in water. Okay, now it's a screen by its whatever we discussed already. Yes, what do animal eat lesson? Fishes are contain small teeth inside that mouth. That teeth are used for the screen the food in the water. Okay, like that there is that situation is not there on the land, and there is a hug amount of air is there. That air is not respirated. That fish like us. Okay, now yes, that's why only there is a what it will be. It is not useful for the earth, our land or earth for our fish as a habitat. Clear? This is only about our third answer. Okay, now and now there is a come to the fourth answer. Come to the fourth answer. What we have to write for a fourth answer purpose. Okay, and now there is a what we have taken. Animal skinny is a habitat for some organisms. What do you understand by this statement? What do you understand by this statement? Animal skin is also okay now, yes, habitat for some organisms. What do you understand by this statement? Okay, so many insects are taken a habitat as a buffaloes, and as well as that are insects are eaten by again somewhat crowns, where the more buffaloes are there, the compulsory crowns are also there, somewhat small birds are also there. They reaches to the buffalo's body and they taken that insects. That insects are also may taken the what actually body of buffaloes or big animals like that. Okay, now why? Because they taken whatever blood of the buffalo is as a food. Clear or not, all of you? Like that, there is animal skin is also. Sometimes the animal skin is also. Yes, it is works as a habitat. You are go like this. It is clear. And now come to here fifth answer. Fifth answer. Fifth answer. What is the fifth question answer? Identify the habitat in which the following live. More than one organism may present in a one habitat. Use information given in the help of box. Our intensive tank and pond margin, kitchen garden, tree, underground and grass. There is especially their gate for us frog. Frog is taken as what actually aquatic animal, aquatic habitat and as another terrestrial habitat also. Okay, clear or not, all of you? And some snakes are also taken like that only. Yes, some birds are also taken like that only. Okay, now they are taken the what? Margin of the ponds are also taken as habitat for the laying eggs and all these things, and they taken the food from the trees, they taken the food from the surface of water also. Like that, so many habitats are there. Like that, there is a used the what? Two habitats, like aquatic habitat and habitat are also used as a habitat. Okay, clear? Appear? Yeah, appear somewhere. But the same thing it is appear at where? Yes, and rats also. Rats, once you take a rats, it is on the ground, it is appear, and as well as in the ground also it is appear. Clear or not, all of you? They make the holes and they enter into that. They want to take a shelter like that only in the ground, and on the ground also it will be taken. Clear or not? Like that, there are the two habitats. Like a crab, very good. Okay, crab is taken in the water and as well as in the ground also, and as well as the margin of the pond also. Okay, yes, like that our tortoise sometimes may it is what on the earth also may live, but not long time, but on the earth also may live it is, and may it is alive in aquatic. Sixth answer. Sixth answer. What is the sixth answer? Here we take here what is the sixth answer? What happens if a habitat is disturbed or destroyed? Okay, now yes, what happened? Habitat is disturbed or destroyed. You know very well. When one habitat is disturbed or destroyed, there is so the plants, the losses their lives. Okay, now clear or not, all of you? Already you have yesterday, there is a good life and good habitat. In that lesson you will get for you that information. In case they disturbed, there is a what will we get? There is a we are feel very angry and as well as in a very disturbed mode. Like that only remaining all animals are also undergo the disturbed mode. Their loss is their shelter, their loss is their food, their loss is their kids also. Okay, they lost their eggs, because of that they lost their kids also. Okay, clear? And mainly they lost their food also. Totally the life is only disturbed. What you understood from that? Habitat is a disturbed, life of a living organisms are also disturbed. Okay, now habitats are destroyed, the living organism also destroyed. Okay, and it causes for the disturbance in the biodiversity. Okay, that is only the sixth answer. Understood not all the students? The sixth answer is the given about the how to disturb the biodiversity. Because of habitat disturbance only it is occur. Either in any other form, maybe compulsory, yes, by human beings only not it is. By maybe chemicals, by maybe natural disorders. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes? Clear or not all of you? Natural disorders means what? Cyclones or otherwise earthquakes may occur. Because of also so many habitats, suppose tsunami, these are may disturb the habitats or destroy the habitats. Because of that, there so many things are also losses. Okay, clear or not all the students? Yes? And now, next come to here, the seventh answer. Come to here, the seventh answer. What is that? Why do some animals change their habitats? Why do some animals are change their habitats? Already yesterday we discussed that. Some like our pulicat and as well as there is a Coleosaurus, lakes. There is a what will we get for us? There is a somewhat birds are may migrated from somewhere. Okay, Siberia and Australia, like a pelican. And as well as there is a what Buttermacapita, like that so many crowns and birds are came from some other countries after traveling thousands of mile distances. Why they comes like that? Why they change their habitats? Why? Because the depending on the food availability, depending on the shelter availability, depending on the reproducing purpose. Okay, changes. Yes, habitats are changes. yes, arrangements and special resources. For that resources usage purpose, the birds and animals are changed their habitat. Okay, clear or not all the students? And somewhat students last year, habitats are specific to that particular organism. Second point, but some animals are changed. Yeah, that is also answer only. But what is the better living conditions you have to mention here? What is the better living condition? Compare with the first one. Okay, now you have to compulsory explain in that one. What is the better living conditions? May get more food. May get there is a what protect from the environment. Okay, now sometimes it is a very hot. It is there. Yes, region is there that selected the cold region only. Okay now, yes, you know very well that pelicans are came from, okay now, yes, March to the October may live here. Why? Because for the reproduce purpose. Okay, there is the environment is a good for the reproduction. Okay, that's why only they are living here. Clear or not all the students? And now there is eighth, seventh answer. Next come to your eighth answer. Got it? And now there is a what? Observe a spider in its web and how and write how the spider shape its habitat. You know very well. Observe the spider web. How there is a spider is contained. Yes, like this, and around it will be formed. Yes, web like this. Yes, web may arrange it. Yes, first there is a what? It is a shelter for that spider. Then after it will be what? Food also. The web is also become food. How? There is any animal or any insect may enter into this. Okay, now it will be easily catch through this web only. Got it? In this way you have to explain. Okay, once you observe that total spider. Okay, here not also spider web. So, nearby the spiders. In your home, otherwise somewhere. Okay, once check it here, it will be whatever the web is there, that web is only become the shelter for it. And in that web, there is another insects, or may like mosquitoes or flies may are contained inside it also. Why? They are enter into that web, automatically it is only become the food for our spider. Got it or not? In this way, there is a spider web is a work force for it. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes. And now, students, how many members are taken that our study material in this particular class? Tell me. Whatever the students are listen the classes now. How many members are you taken study material? Till so many members are not taken. I hope. Taken or not? There is what you are spending so many money for the so many things, so many nonsense things also sometimes. So many useful things and so many nonsense things. Our study material is useful for you or not? So very useful for you. Why? Because there is it is not how possible to give the notes for me also. And your teacher is also not there with you. In your 5th class, we are in some particular way, some particular locations may write on the boards your answer. But this academic year may not possible it is. Not this academic year, may further academic year also there is a regular, our physical classes may not possible, schools are like this only. Means what? Half of the school may in a physical mode, half of the school may in a live mode, online mode. Then that's why compulsory for the referring the answers purpose, extra to the my classes, extra to the my answers, extra to the your textbook. You compulsory need that study material to analyze the answers and questions. That's why you compulsory take it. It will be very useful for you. Okay, now the textbooks may availability in your mobiles also, but the study materials may not available now. That's why you take study material and accumulatively you take my class answers, my classes, and as well as your understanding level and your textbook and help with the study material, you get full of answer. Compulsory you take study material. Why? Because there is a what you are enter into the higher classes now. Yes, it is a very bad thing for you, and it is a not affordable thing for your studies and your career. You are enter from primary level to the higher level now. There is a totally different from primary to the higher. There is in the primary lot of teacher help is available for you. Okay, now, but when you are entering to the higher, now it is not that much of help may not get for you. Got it or not? May not it is a get for you. Yes, who this Sai Ganesh or otherwise Manikanta? Who this it is? Sai Ganesh or Manikanta? Yeah, now there is a started 6th lesson. Who said it is? I am not understood this is. It is a 6th lesson only. Yeah, here how we are taken for here actually there is we are taken there is our these things are our study materials are very useful for you. Okay, na? If it is taken by you, there is answers are get so many answers are get for you. Okay. What is your name? Mahesheti Kashinath. It will be maybe it is from Narayanpet branch only. What's your name? And the next to come to here. The next one, 9th answer. Sai Ganesh, which class you are? 5th class only. Now, sorry, and now that it is what we have taken, that it is a 9th one, 9th answer, and now that it is a what we take and collect a hydrilla plant. Collect a hydrilla plant and put it in a glass of water for a week. How it grows. Clear or not, all the students? There is it will be answer. And now what is that? You have to take hydrilla plant, and once you check how the hydrilla plant grows. Okay, clear or not, all the students? Yes, when you take hydrilla, on the board nothing will be there. Listen my voice. There is just I am written. There is answers number, question answer number only. Okay, now here there is a when you take a hydrilla plant, that is a take inside of the glass of water. Yes, everywhere there is hydrilla plant is made, roots are spread through the water. Once check it here. And first initially there is only small root may there. The root may extended through the water, and there is a total it is a spread through the water. Got it or not? There is it is what we have taken from here, that hydrilla plant. Okay, clear or not, all the students? Hydrilla plant. There is a very good last year, whatever the information is given to your friends. So many you, but there every time like that only they are written. From my side there is no problem. From your side only there is a problem is there. Got it? Here, one second here. Whatever the thing you take in here in the 9th answer. Okay, na? Yes, that one hydrilla plant you take it in a glass of water, there it will be may absorb somewhat water through the stem. It is absorb the water through the leaves also, and there is a whatever the roots are there, they spread over the water over the whatever the water inside the water only without the soil. Okay, yes, that is only the nature may consider for the hydrilla water, hydrilla plant. And the next to come to here our 10th answer. Next to come to here our 10th answer. What is the 10th answer is there? Here, take a map of Telangana and color the areas where the forest grows. Okay, na? Yes, you know very well our Telangana. Yes, Telangana map. Okay, na? Like that, Telangana map it is there. Okay, clear or not all the students? Like this map may be there for our Telangana. Yes, in this particularly where the our forests are there. In Adilabad district, there is the top of Telangana. There is a what? There is a forest are there. And as well as in a Mahabubnagar district and in a Warangal district. Yes, once checked here in our Google map, there is a where in a green color it will be available. That is only indicated the forest area. Okay, clear or not all of you? Forest area. Nallamala forest is also there in our Telangana, near in somewhat Mahabubnagar district. Okay, and as well as it will be available, it is in Adilabad and as well as in the region of Warangal and Khammam and some part of in a Karimnagar. Also there is a what? Forest area is also there. Okay, na? Yes, based on the new districts, Bhupalpalli, okay, na? And as well as Deshankar Bhupalpalli districts, okay, na? Mahbubabad district, there is a district, there is a forest are there. Green color in our map where it is available. Clear or not all the students? And next, now there is when you go for it, next concept. Here, one more thing it is also there. The 11th one. I am a living being. I have 4 legs. I like me. Okay, now tell me, there is a what? There is a what is a given. I am a living being. I have 4 legs. I live in a water and also on land. Who I am? Tell me who is that animal? May frog it is. What is it is? A frog. That's why you don't take crocodile. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes, maybe somewhat tortoise also there, and there is a somewhat snakes are also there, somewhat crabs are also there, living with the frog. Like that, you conclude about this 11th answer. And now next to come to your 12th answer. Okay, now 12th answer. Now write the 12th answer. Yes, what is the 12th answer? Write your experiences with your pet dog or cat, cow that shows affection to you. Yeah, you write in your own words. When you concern to about that particular pet animals, if it is there or not, imagine. In case one pet animal is there, how to you concerned about that? Okay, now how you care about that? You know very well. You all the kids are like their pet animals. Okay, now every time. After the school and before the school, you are spend a lot of time with your pet animal only. Regularly, you give the food to it, and as well as there is a what regularly maybe for the 3 to 4 days gap there is you give the bath for it. Okay, now and as well as you give the milk for it, and as well as there is a what you take it is into the rooming. Through you with you for when you go for walking, you take away it is like that. When you go with the consent of your pet animal. Otherwise, in case the cows or buffaloes are there, may you are given the grass as a food for it. Okay, may it will be concerned with that automatically that all animals is affectionate to you also. Okay, clear or not all of you? How you know very well. When there is you appear, your dog may come with a barking, small barking, and come to you, and there is a what by licking your tugs and everything, and as well as they are what everything. Their looks are somewhat affectionate to you. Okay, and yeah, don't make like that. The fish is not a pet and domestic thing. Okay. You don't take fish in a small bottle. If it is in a dangerous situation, you take like that manner. Otherwise, you don't take the fishes in aquarium and don't spoil their freedom. Okay, clear or not all? It is not a good thing. Okay, fishes are not enough to want to move in that particular small amount of water. Okay, fishes are not become domestic. If it is in a problem, otherwise, if there is no water is available for it for it's in a habitat. Okay, now if water is there, it is not a good for it. At that time, you take here. Okay, clear or not all of you? Right? And at that time, there is what they are given affectionate to you also. Already how they are affectionate to you, that is already given. Yes, in our lesson. Clear or not all the students? There is a page number, it is given about in a page number 659. On that page number 59 you have the answer. Yes, when you have to take here, you notice that pet dogs like licks your feet and wags its tail when you appear for it. Okay, clear or not all the students? And they become very happy and sit nearby you. Okay, no, and walks with you every time. You avoid also, it is walks with you only. Yes, sometimes some videos are also may get for us. In case our mummies are try to beat you, there is a stops that our pet animals. Okay, clear or not all of you? There is that much of affectionate is contained for our animals if you are give a concern. That's why you concerned with that. Yes. Okay, and next it is come to here. 13th one. Razia does not want to disturb squirrels that eat fruits on the guava tree at her house. Why does she do so? Why? Because that Razia contains the concern about that particular squirrel. Okay, now, and why? Because there is a guavas are taken only small amount of food. In case it is eaten by it, there is no problem for our food, na. That's why only that concern, that kindness about the animals is not what disturbed that by girl, that particular person who is given the name here. Yes, why not disturbed? Why? Because they have the kindness and the concern about that animals. Okay, clear or not all of you? That's why only they are not disturbed. Why? Because it is also habitat for squirrel, na. That whatever the tree is there, this is a habitat for that particular animal also. Not only for it is, not only for that animal also it is a habitat. That's why it is. Not going to disturb actually when the animals are eaten their food. Okay, why? Because we have the knowledge, we have the whatever the voice, we have the memory power, we have the whatever the thinking knowledge, but the animals are not have that much of thinking knowledge. Yes, they not ask the food us, they only just hunt for it, they collect it. If we disturb it, what will we get? Okay, now total our food is taken by that animal only. If in case unwantedly it will be taken, you disturb it, there is no problem. Okay, clear or not all of the students? Yes, that is compulsory. You have to concerned about that animal with the kindness. Okay, now automatically it is affectionate to you and it is your responsible also. And next, come to your 14th one. Prepare a map that represents the different habitats which exist in your school. Okay, now, yes, once imagine now your school. Okay, now imagine once your school now, you already know very well in your social studies you have how to draw the maps. You draw the map of school and in that one you have to, yes, indicate where habitats are there, where the terrestrial habitat is there in our school and where the aquatic habitats are there and what the animals are live in that. Okay, that is only you have to take here. Okay, in case in our school there is a trees are there, trees is also one of the habitat now. Otherwise the water tank may it is there, it is a water tank may also habitat for the small insects and larvae like these things. Okay, now, yes, and as well as when you take aquarium, somewhere in our schools are also may appear aquarium. Yes, that is only you have to take is as a habitat. Once again I repeat it, the 14th question, prepare the map that represent the different habitats which are exist in our school. You know very well how to prepare map. Okay, clear or not all the students? How to prepare the maps, you know very well. Yes, in our social studies lesson it is there. Yes, and you take somewhat boundaries, and the boundaries where the habitats are there. You know very well habitats. In case the water is there, water source is there, that is aquatic habitat. And in case there is a tree is there, that is a habitat as a tree. In our school may have somewhat place where we maintain orchard, that is only become as a habitat only. And in our school, our classrooms also may become habitats. May sometimes appear, there is a what? Spiders may appear, lizard may appear in our school. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes, once check it out, it is habitat or not for it, and mentioned in that particular map, sorry. Now come to your 15th question answer. Yes, there is an animal also have right to live. You write a essay on it. That is only 15th question is what? Prepare an article to deliver a speech in a literacy association meeting. As in animal also have right to live. You know very well. Yes, here when you take here our competitions in our school or otherwise somewhere. In the last week we already discussed now what is that competition. On 14th November there is an election competition also there for 10th class students, and not for you. There is on one particular topics. For you there is a what? A singing competition may have. For the 8th and 9th poster preparation also there. Like that competitions and like that things are there. In case in that one topic is given as a animals also have the right to live. That based on that topic you have to prepare one speech. For speech words or speech points you have to prepare. Yes, got it or not? Speech points you have to prepare. Yes, for that topic is a what? Topic is animal also have right to live. Okay now? Yes, because of our activities of human beings we disturb the habitats of animals now. Because of that their lives are also disturbed. That's why how to protect the animals are there in habitat. Okay na, living as there in a comfort in their habitat. Okay, what the precautions you have to take for it. Okay na, that is only may given here. Yes, you go for 61. Yes, frog breathe through its skin. Frog breathe through its skin. Yes, go with our 61 page. Somewhat information is there about a 15th answer. Okay, 16th answer you go through it, and as well as you write in the 16th answer question. Okay, clear or not all the students? This is only about our question answers. For our homework purpose you complete till it is take for 3 days for time for it, for completion of question answers. Okay, yes, on Monday I will again ask you about a completion of question answers to lesson. Okay, thank you students. And